And a shocker coming in from Bhopal, a 3-year-old student allegedly raped at school by his school staff. The parents got to know about it after seeing the injury marks on the private parts of the toddler. The police have already registered a case and arrested the accused school staff as well. The accused, Qasim, is an employee of the technical department in the school. In fact, according to reports, the mother of the child had complained to the teacher 2 days ago, but the school principal claims that the school was not aware of the entire incident. However, the school has now agreed to cooperate in this entire investigation.
ये थाना कमला नगर क्षेत्र का मामला है और इसमें एक स्कूल से ये शिकायत आई है, जिस स्कूल में उसके परिजनों ने शिकायत की। जैसे ही शिकायत आई, पुलिस ने आरोपी को चिन्हित किया और उसे तत्काल गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया। मेडिकल रिपोर्ट के आधार पर चूंकि घटना की पुष्टि हुई, इसलिए पुलिस ने उसमें कार्रवाई सुनिश्चित की है। आरोपी उसमें आईटी टीचर है उस स्कूल में, और प्रथम दृष्टया उसके परिजनों ने जब शिकायत की तो पुलिस ने पहले उसको वेरीफाई किया, बाकी जानकारियों की पुष्टि की, मेडिकल के होने के बाद फिर उसमें गिरफ्तारी की।
Kind of shocker. In fact, it's unbelievable that 3.5 years old girl raped in fact in the school, which is very renowned school, one of the private schools in Bhopal. We can't in fact take the name of this school under some protocols, but definitely it's quite shocking one. Hari Narayan Chari, the police commissioner of Bhopal, shared this information, which is absolutely shocking, that 3.5 years girl was raped by an IT expert, or means we had words with the principal of this school. She shared the information that she herself did not know anything about this crime, but police informed her, and when information was collected from the school, and she is saying that she is ready for giving any kind of information regarding this case, because she was ensuring that she is ready for cooperating to the police, in fact, and she also shared the information that the accused is IT expert, in fact, here in this school. We also had words with a previous employee of this school, told some shocking information that it's not the first time. Even before few years ago, there was a case of rape, and some teacher or principal was also suspected in this case. In that case, we had that bite also on record, but definitely this time the crime has been committed with 3.5 years old girl.